Hey guitar friends, this is Prokopis from String Systems, and in today's lesson we'll see how knowing the notes on the guitar fretboard helps you to easily switch between scales whenever you're soloing and you want to follow the chord changes in a song. If you want a fun step-by-step system to help you learn the fretboard, use the link below to get my free mini course called Fretboard Memorization Toolbox. So let's get started. Let's take a minor blues progression in the key of A. The first 4-bar phrase is just A minor 7. So for example, I can use my knowledge of where all the A's are and move wherever I want. I'm going to use a fretboard mapping system that I have developed called SFS, or the string fragment system, for this. SFS is very flexible. Advanced players can use it to play all fretboard options, but for this example I will simplify it and just use these 3 string fragments which give us a movable minor blues scale. So maybe I'll start my solo here on the 6th string, but somewhere during the 4 bars I might want to move higher up on the A on the 4th string, and then maybe even higher up to fret 10 on the 2nd string. I'm going to lay down the chords and show you how that would work. Now, when we move to that D minor 7th on the second 4-bar phrase, most guitar players would just continue playing the A minor blues scale, which is okay, it's a fine choice. But what if I want to switch to a D minor blues scale and follow the chord changes more closely? Well, I can easily transition from that A on the 2nd string to the D on the 1st string, and then maybe on the D on the 3rd string, and then perhaps come back to the A on the 4th string. So here are the first 8 bars, and you'll see in the diagrams below which root notes I'm using. Okay, I hope you can see the flexibility that we get when we think in terms of root notes and movable systems. We can move smoothly from one scale to another in the same area if you want. Or we can jump far away to create contrast. This is fretboard freedom. Compare this to thinking in terms of box shapes, where you stay stuck in the same position playing the same licks. Moving around the fretboard can be very inspiring and gives you new ideas, plus it makes switching scales very easy. I encourage you to check out my course SFS Pentatonics, where we study this concept in great depth. We start easily and then build our improvisation skills step by step. And we learn soloing tricks along the way which make your playing more interesting, and by the end we cover all positions in all keys through this fun and effective system. That's it, keep working on your fretboard drills, and remember, enjoy your practice and be effective. Hey friends, this lesson is part of my free mini course called Fretboard Memorization Toolbox. If you're looking for an enjoyable and quick way to learn the fretboard, I encourage you to get it by using the link below and start learning now. It's totally free and it includes the complete lesson series plus all the necessary backing tracks and musical drills. This is Prokopis from String Systems reminding you to enjoy your practice and be effective.